guys, today I'm going to show you how you can send fax message from your owner tab 8. Simply first open the Play Store, tap on the search bar and look for the fax app. Choose Easy Fax, install it and open. Remember that you have your free credits banner. To show it again if it's disappeared after the setup, you have to restart the application. Now allow permission to the files and click on the plus to choose source of your document, like something from the gallery. This one, for example, select it and click on the import. Now you can add this shape to your document and click on the arrow icon. Choose the folder for a photo to make it more visible. If you're ready, click on the sub icon, type the number in this place, choose the country from the list. Remember that we have your free credits banner again, and to send this message for free, just open it and after that click on this icon. That's it. Thanks for watching, please like, recommend and goodbye.